In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve mic sound quality in OBS Studio. By the end, your voice will sound cleaner, more consistent, and more professional for streams and recordings using tools already built into OBS, plus a simple plugin option. First, make sure your microphone is physically connected and recognized by your computer. If it has a hardware mute switch, toggle it off, and if it's USB, plug it directly into your computer rather than a hub for the most reliable connection. Open OBS Studio and head to Settings. In the Audio section, find the Mic Auxiliary Audio dropdown and select your microphone from the list. If you see multiple options with similar names, pick the one that matches how you connected it. Once selected, click Apply, then OK to confirm. Back on the main OBS window, locate the audio mixer and find the mic aux channel. Click the three dots or gear icon next to it and choose Filters. This is where we'll shape your sound with a few essential tools. Start with noise suppression. Choose RN noise for high-quality background noise removal. It helps reduce computer fans, hum, and general room noise without making your voice sound overly processed. Speak while it's enabled and listen for a cleaner background. Next, add a noise gate. This keeps your mic effectively muted when you're not talking, so small sounds don't sneak into your stream. As a starting point, set the close threshold to around 32 dB and the open threshold to around 26 dB. Test by speaking at a normal volume, then pausing. If your voice is cutting off at the beginning of words, lower the open threshold slightly. If background sounds are still getting through, raise the close threshold a bit. If you want a fuller radio tone, add a VST plugin with an equalizer and gently boost the bass around 100 Hz and the treble around 10 kHz. Keep boosts subtle, think a few decibels, so your voice remains natural and doesn't get boomy or harsh. Add a compressor to even out your volume. Use a ratio of 4:1 or 5:1, a fast attack around 2 to 3 milliseconds, and a release near 100 milliseconds. Lower the threshold until normal speech causes a few decibels of gain reduction. This helps loud moments stay controlled while quiet moments remain audible. Finally, add a limiter and set the ceiling between 3 dB and 6 dB. Place it last in the chain to catch any peaks and prevent clipping or distortion. Do a quick test recording, watch your meters, and make small adjustments until it sounds right for your voice and room. That's it. Clean, clear mic audio in OBS.